track, and I think we came a little bit too late because after 11, everyone gets one run in and that's it. And it's like 10, 20 or whatever. This video might suck, bro. I want to get some runs in. Well, next time I know to come earliest. You think you want to race? You want to race?
Are you boost?
Yeah. I'll race him if he wants to.
Go ask him.
I'll ask him. I'll race him. I'll race any of these niggas.
Come on, boy. Clean.
Yeah. Yo, so it's the next day, and boy, last night it was a waste of time because I only got one race in, but I don't think I showed you guys my time sheet or whatever, and I don't know where I can put it to show you guys, but so this is pretty much what happened last night. I ran a 13.2 at 112 miles per hour. And as you guys see, I drove into like the burnout puddle or whatever, the burnout salt. And I wasn't supposed to do that because my car spun and spun and spun. But then again, I don't know how to dig. So I had to work on that. So I'm glad I went last night anyway, just to get at least one run in. I would have went to the track like 5 hours earlier, but I want to wait for Randy because I know it's always fun to go to the track with your bros and stuff like that, and I don't want to leave them behind. In 2 weeks, Randy has like a couple days off from work. We're gonna go on a Tesla 2 night on a Friday early, so I can get some runs in and stuff like that. Now, I did damage the car last night. Instead of me talking about it, let's just show you the first thing that I noticed that I messed up last night.
So do you guys notice anything, you know, different with the front end of my car? Like, you guys notice anything different? You know what I'm saying? Do you guys like notice anything different? You know what I'm saying?
You know what? I was like, okay, yeah, I get it. Yep, my rod somehow just broke off. I think it broke off when I did the dig because when I launched, bro, and aside from that, I cleaned up the engine a little earlier today, but there was oil everywhere, bro. Like, everywhere. Right here, like, I don't know if you guys see that, but all this right here was full of oil. Like, everything right here was oily. I don't know what I broke last night, but something, my catch can was full to the brink, and I think it exploded a little bit because there was oil everywhere last night, everywhere. So I hosed down the engine while the car was running and stuff like that. I cleaned up most of the oil that was like all over the engine and stuff like that, and I really thought I blew the engine because there was a lot of smoke, like a lot of smoke everywhere, bro. And I know but you watered the engine, of course it's gonna be smoke. No, son. I drove the car on the block, came back, the car was still smoking. Like, I really thought I had like a piston ring issue. I probably do. But I really thought I blew this motor, bro. Like, it was just, Then this line popped off at the track last night. They was like, yo, you can pop the hood so I can see. I was like, yeah, no, why not? And this line was popped off and this is my vacuum line or whatever. And that kept popping off, so when I got home last night, I put a zip tie on it and stuff like that. I'm in the process of relocating my catch can. I'm trying to mount it somewhere because over here is just, that's no bueno. So I'm trying to actually mount it, have a place for it. I kind of want to do a battery deleting at like the Speed Factory or like the big style, battery style catch can. I got to replace this stud and I got to replace that one because that one's like spinning every time I try to tighten it. And I got some oil leaks and to my surprise, I found one of my oil leaks because look how loose this bolt. I just saw this. One of my damn bolts are loose. So that's probably a reason why I could be leaking oil from the VTEC solenoid gasket because that's a brand new gasket in there, but that's probably most likely why. But for the most part, that's pretty much my problems. I would end the video here, but we're gonna hang out with Randy, Robert, and Justin, the OG squad. They're all going to Randy's house to work on their car, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna come through and hang out with my bros for a little bit. So I'm hang out with them, get some footage with them, and then come home and wrap this thing up. But unless something else happens to the car, then yeah, I guess I don't know. The front end of my car and tell me what's missing or what looked different. I don't know. Let's just take a closer inspection and see what happened. I don't know. What looks off, Randy? What you hit? I think it was I did the pull last night at the track, bro.
Where did it go?
I have no idea, but that's what's going on. It's not. I'm gonna just remove that one until I get buy new ones.
God damn, no.
Bro, I thought I blew the car up, bro.
What?
Last night when I got home, I parked the car up in the garage, right? Come out, decide to clean up the engine bay and stuff like that, bro. A puddle, four sizes of this, all on the thing.
You did that.
Last night, right?
Fresh, you did that.
Randy is putting his car back together. That's for your ECT?
No.
That goes into the.
IET.
That's your IET sensor?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't think so. Pretty sure that sensor goes into there, bro. That was messed up, Randy. You had no business sending Justin to drop off your family members, bro. How you feel about that, Justin?
I need gas money.
Oh yeah, my dog need to get compensated for his gas, bro.
That's $30 right there.
God damn.
Yeah.
That's that Trump tax.
1 month I drop him off. 3 months? Every day? That wasn't you. Were you in the car? Where my gas at? For 3 months.
Damn, it's been.
That's what? Come on. That's about $400 right there.
But Trump is president, so.
Damn, $30 a day.
There's like $30.
Oh! Made it rain! So right now, Randy's putting in his old harness. I mil-spec'd it myself, boy. I used some electrical tape and taped up all the wires. Now he got a Zosh spec mill harness. Wait, what? That doesn't sound right. Zosh spec mill harness? That sounds right?
It's spec harness?
Wow. The disrespect from the fat neck bitch. She ready to go, Randy, bro? Turn it on so we can go race and get these people what they want. I'll blow my car up, you blow your car up. Be a perfect YouTube video. Me and Randy both blew our cars racing.
Yo, that'd be a pretty lit title.
Right, wouldn't it? I thought I blew my shit last night. You ready, bro?
You ready?
No, are your harness plugged in?
Oh, you gotta keep priming it. Because I pulled the return.
Is your jump harness connected?
It won't prime if you already got pressure.
He ain't
If
got
you already
no.
got pressure, it won't prime.
Huh?
Take off your hand off the timing belt.
Well,
Take your hand off the timing belt.
well, he don't have
Wait, don't do nothing.
Randy, bro.
What? You gotta crimp something.
You gotta crimp your fuel injector thing again.
I'm sitting here like, these aren't connected. No, I'm not getting fuel pump. My fuel pump is down.
Yeah, but you ain't got injectors either.
You ain't getting shit either. I don't know. The bitch came out.
Well, then again, there are crimped instead of soldered. So, I mean, that could be a problem.
Super facts.
I accidentally left my camera here, but I went to go pick up a harness for my boy Ranlo. Picked up Randy a nice little 96, 98 mint condition engine harness from the homies Aisha and Sean. You can follow them at Aisha_LadyBuilt on Instagram. Well, name right here and right here, or right here for both of right here. Follow them there. And yeah, so shout out to them for giving us a good deal on it. And now tomorrow we'll install it on Randy's car. And then tomorrow also the homie Vince come down. So we're gonna have some Evo content, racing Randy content, and that's it. That's pretty much it. But I'm gonna leave Ranlo so I can go home and edit and upload the video because it's been like a day and a half since I uploaded. And I know you guys like, I'm see you home.
I have no idea what's going on, but my car is running on 3 cylinders right now. I think it's time to buy a new motor. I think. Well, let's not rush to conclusions and jump to stuff. I think one of my spark plugs took a shit on me. I hope I can get home though.
Okay, so I got home, car drove, like, just removed cylinder number 4 spark plug, and bro, that is no bueno. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I think that is my problem. But I'll remove the other ones and look at them as well, but I think that was my problem. Pretty sure that was my problem. 4, 3, 2, 1. That was definitely my problem. That is done. So I definitely gotta get a new spark plug. So hopefully tomorrow when I do get the spark plugs, it fixes Christina. I got no support rods. My splitter's all like freaking bent up and stuff. Man, as soon as I start having fun with my car, problems. Honestly, I'm thinking about going back to all motor. I don't know, man. I just love the tone of the exhaust of all motor. My Buddy Club Spec 2. Best exhaust ever. But it's like 10:30. I need to close out this video. I left my phone at Randy's house, so I can't even send the pictures of the spark plugs and stuff like that. God, Hey, thank you guys for watching today's video / yesterday's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, could you please smack that like button for you? Well, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.
Subscribe to my channel. Bitch!